Hello friend, today on this video I show you how to set my ringtone in the Redmi mobile. Before you continue this video, please subscribe the channel. And now let's start the video. First you have go here, click it setting and then scroll here sound and vibration phone ringtone and then click your profile here ringtone and then here my ringtone. Here's so many ringtone. Then you can apply anyone here. Just apply here. Successfully they will become your ringtone. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video and do not forget to click the bell icon and thanks for watching this video.